Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pinnacle of English. In today's video, you are going to learn two stories about flying written by Liam O'Flaherty, and these two stories are in class 10 CBSE English. Before going to start my explanation of the story, don't forget to subscribe this channel if you like the video. Don't forget even on click button and bell button for the notification of my further video. Now let's see the introduction of the lesson. The story by Liam O'Flaherty is an account of a young bird that is afraid to fly for the first time. He believes that his wings would not support him, despite his younger siblings flying fearlessly with much shorter wings. He could not gather the courage to do the same. He was punished to stay hungry if he did not fly, even try. Thus, it was his mother that compelled him to fly by using food as a trap. The lesson reflects how one hesitates to take the step even first time, and that fear is all in the mind. One should trust one's abilities because the fear of suffering is worse than the suffering itself. Now let's see the summary of this story. The story, His First Flight, by Liam O'Flaherty, is about a young seagull that is afraid to fly. All his younger siblings, despite their much shorter wings, flew fearlessly, while he could not gather the courage to trust his own wings. The young seagull became sad when he saw his parents perfecting his younger siblings in the art of flying. His parents scolded and taunt him for not even trying. They even call him a coward. They tell him a lot to at least try and also threaten him to leave him alone and hungry if he does not. The following day, he is left in isolation, and upon feeling hungry, he tries to seek the attention of his family members. Only his mother, who is withering a fish in an attempt to eat it, notices his son. The young seagull cries out of starvation, hoping his mother would help. On seeing his mother come to him with the fish, he gets excited, but on noticing that his mother stopped midway, he gets maddened out of hunger and takes a dive at the fish, forgetting for a moment that he is afraid to fly. Finally, he took his first flight. All the family members celebrate his victory by cheering and dancing around him. He also attempts at floating in the sea that he was once afraid of. Thus, he overcomes his fear and realizes that it is all in the mind. Now, let's discuss the important question answers which are set in NCERT exercise. The first question is, why is the young seagull afraid to fly? Why do you think all young birds are afraid to fly, even to make their first flight? Or are some birds more timid than others? Do you think a human baby also finds it a challenge to take its first steps? The answer of this question is The young seagull was afraid to fly because it was his first flight. He doubted that his wings would not be able to support him. We are well aware that journey to 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and it is very difficult to take that first step. Thus, I think all birds must be hesitating before taking their first flight. Some more than others. Yes, just like young birds, human babies also hesitate like taking their first step. Second question is, the sight of the food maddened him. What does this suggest? What compelled the young seagull to finally fly? The answer of this question is, on not being able to gather courage to fly and acting like a coward, the young seagull's family left him alone. As a result, he was starving since he could not fly to get his own food. When he saw his mother coming near him with fish, he got excited and dived straight at the fish, forgetting for a moment that he was afraid of flying. Thus, he got so maddened by the sight of food because he was starving, which compelled him to take his first flight. The next question is, they were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. Why did the seagull's father and mother threaten him and cajole him to fly? The answer of this question is, unlike his younger siblings, the poor seagull could not gather enough courage to take his first flight. Thus, his parents taunted him for being a coward. They even threatened it to let it starve if he did not try. They thought younger hunger would make him fly, looking for his food. They did all of this because they wanted him to fly. Here, complete explanation of the story, his first flight, and even NCERT questions we have discussed here in this video. I hope you like this video channel. If you like this video channel, please don't forget to subscribe it, click on like button and bell button for the notification of this channel.